N, Cairo.
Nile.
Yes. T, Rome.
Tiber.
Yes.
I definitely think teamwork is one of the most important qualities, to be successful in this game. Everyone has their own strengths, and you really have to rely on your teammates in order to determine, okay, this person is best at in this round, this category.
I've definitely got to see a bunch of different kids from different HBCUs that I've never thought I would have probably interacted with if we were in person.
Despite the challenges that may come or how big the mountain may appear that is in front of you, you have the ability, talent, and drive to be a history maker. And remember that you have a circle of people like your Honda Campus All-Star friends for life who are cheering you on.